the blockchain and AI that weave itself into this overall philosophy that I have, that we need to give people more chances for agency.
That's why I'm working in Web3. That is a thing that actually makes me interested in it. The foundational technological basis of it, just to be able to, the way that it's democratizing access to so many things. What you're talking about is democratizing access to data, really, and the ability to utilize data in the ways that before was severely gatekept, or the barrier to entry was way too high because of the cost of computing or the cost of people or those kinds of things. And what kinds of ways are you seeing that democratization or access or agency happening now?
I'll start with the punchline and then work backwards.
Sure.
With the release of GPT in December, and now as of the last few weeks, where we see all these deep fakes of Donald Trump in whatever camel gear or whatever, or Elon Musk walking around with AOC and all this sort of stuff, we're now at the stage where unless the data has been attested to and ascribed to a blockchain, you're not going to be able to trust it.
Right.
What that means is everything, all the data pre-blockchain will be unreliable and needs to be questioned in the future. 10 years from now, when somebody is trying to rewrite the past and they create a deep fake based on AI of John Kennedy saying something that he didn't say, people may not know what is truth and what is fiction. And the only way to make that truth happen is to have authenticity and provenance built into the source of the data on a blockchain. And then that means that all data eventually needs to go into blockchains in order to be trusted. Once that happens, you will have the AI algorithms running through all these various blockchains, developing insights, and being able to give us verified truths, patterns, predictive analytics, and different ways to see our world and create value using the AI that's based off the data on the blockchain. So that's the punchline. Moving back from that, what the point was is that in order for that economy to happen, you need a digital native currency that's not bound to a nation, something that a machine can access and utilize to garner resources. That's something like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency. You need the data on a blockchain. That's on any L1 or base chain. And then you also need the ability for people to license that data for money, for under which terms and conditions, etc. And then you need a protocol that allows that interaction to happen seamlessly with auditability so that you know in every instance how your data has been used, if it's been used according to the terms that you want, and that your wallet gets credited with the money. So that's, I just went through a lot of things like a digital native currency, the fact that all data needs to be on blockchains, the fact that you need to have a handshake protocol in order for this economy to work. The compensation for anybody who is producing that data and making it accessible. Those are kind of like the four components, and all of that revolves around crypto and blockchain.